this video, let's see how to import product, catalog, images, and inventory data from Momentech brands to Shopify using the Supply Master app. We begin on the products page of your Shopify store. There are currently no products from Momentech brands in this store. We navigate to the Supply Master app. On the app's home screen, click Add Supplier.
You'll be directed to the Add New Supplier screen. Select Momentech Augusta as the supplier you want to connect with. Provide a supplier name and click Next.
Now, match a Shopify location to the Momentech inventory. This location will automatically update with inventory from the supplier on a daily basis. Next, let's move to the Match Fields section. In this section, you'll map the supplier's data fields to your Shopify product fields. We'll leave the default settings as they are, for now. We also choose to publish the products to our online store. Once done, click Save Supplier. You can now view and import products from this supplier. Switch to the Products for Import tab. Here, you'll see that a few default filters have already been applied. We're happy with these filters, so we'll simply review the products that are ready to be imported. These filters select 120 products, with around 7,000 variants. Now, click Import Products. The import process will begin bringing in images, all product metadata, and inventory information for each of these 7,000 variants. Allow the import process to run over the next few minutes.
Once the product import process is complete, head over to the Shopify products page.
And with that, we have successfully imported over 100 Momentech products and thousands of variants into your Shopify store using the Supply Master app. You can click through on any of the imported products and review that the product data has been imported correctly. The Supply Master app has imported the vendor name, the sizes, pricing, SKU codes, and inventory data for all the variants. If you require further information on setting up this import, please email us at support@comstack.com.